This video will cover the details of the intrathecal drug delivery pump maintenance module in the Neurizon Neuromodulation database. The ITDD pump maintenance module covers both descriptions of the drugs used, also the actual pump refill procedure, and the pump programming details. It should be noted that the intrathecal drugs administered to a patient can and should also be registered in the medicine module. This is because the ITDD pump module is only used for recording details on the configuration and refillings of the pump. It is not used to actually keep track of what medication the patient is getting. This patient, our test patient, has been used in the other videos as a spinal cord stimulation patient, but let's for the example just use him also to demonstrate how the pump maintenance module looks like. We go to New, we go to ITDD pump maintenance, and the form shows up that looks similar to many other forms. First, we register the date, then we can register who actually performed the pump maintenance, and there's a list here of various roles. See that even if the patient somehow is involved, you can also choose the patient as the pump manager. Let's say that is me in this case. Time consumption of, let's say, 30 minutes. And here you can use free text to describe the mixture of drugs, or if, for that sake, the single drug that is infused in the pump and its concentrations. Again, note that this is a free text module, meaning that we cannot use that to keep track of the patient's medication. That should be part of the medicine module registration. And there is also an option there for choosing intrathecal administration route. Total reservoir volume is the reservoir of the pump. Let's say it's 40 cc's. The expected remaining volume, let's say that the pump tells us there's 12 milliliters left. The pump refill technique can be either blind procedure, ultrasound guided, fluoroscopy guided, or other for that sake. Let's say we use ultrasound in this case, and we retrieved 0.7 cc's, giving a volume difference of -5.5%. In the pump programming details, you can choose which pump mode is being used. If you choose continuous flow rate, you will only be asked about the daily flow rate, obviously. For a patient therapy manager, you also asked about the bolus volume, logout time, and maximum number of boluses allowed. And if it is a complex mode, neither of this makes very much sense, so you can write the pump programming notes in free text format. And there's also an option for the minimal flow rate, just to keep the pump open. Let's just, for this example, take the patient therapy manager. In this case, you can choose how many microliters per 24 hours, the bolus volume in microliters, the logout time, and the maximum number of boluses allowed. If there are further details, you could write that on the pump programming notes. And if there are any notes for the actual refill procedure, you can note them here, press save, and that's it.